Hi, good evening. Welcome to the second segment of our consonants. In my previous knowledge, I was able to establish the fact that we have 8 consonants in Ędo language. During the class I did previously, I emphasized on Ędo language consonants, but I tried as much as possible not to display the letters because I said in my second lecture I was going to give you the 8 different consonants, and I'm going to make attempts to apply them to spellings, and I will be underlining the consonants in each word. So I will quickly show you the 8 consonants on my board here.